Okay, my friends, real quick video about a section of the intro videos that I alluded to and said I would follow up with in the email. It's the Zoom meeting recordings. So what I mean by that is, well, let me give you a bit of history. 2 years ago, almost to the day, we started online and remote teaching because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Everything went straight to online, including office hours. So there were no more in-person meetings for office hours. So what I started doing was holding Zoom office hours and holding Zoom office hours for individual classes. Like, for example, I'm still doing that this term. Certain days, Math 98 has office hours. Certain days and times, Math 243 has office hours. And then there are other times when I have some, I call them all or welcome office hours where anybody can drop in. But the majority of them are via Zoom, which means you log in using the Zoom credentials in Canvas and you just come in and bring questions. It's been super, super useful in the past, and over the past 2 years, my students routinely tell me how great it is to have those because, number one, if you're in a strictly online class, it's like the only way we can have real-time communication. I mean, having no in-person office hours, and if you're in an online class, then this is it. Short of talking on the phone, which I'm not even sure how to use my phone anymore. But these Zoom office hours are great. What a student suggested years ago was, why don't you record these and put them in Canvas? Well, then it was Blackboard, but put them online in the LMS so that other students can watch them. I said, that's a great idea, so I started doing it. Well, turns out that's illegal. I'm not allowed to record any of your faces, voices, or names and then post those recordings, even if it's posted in Canvas. So I started asking my school, how can we fix this? Because my students loved having those recordings. For example, this term, the Math 98 Zoom online office hours specific to Math 98 are Monday and Tuesday from 3:30 to 4:30. Well, not all my students can make that time. So by placing the recordings in Canvas, you can watch the videos of the questions that were asked and maybe get some of your own questions asked. It's a fantastic resource. But FERPA says I can't do it unless you fill out this little form. Now, what you might notice, I'm going to show you the form here in the video. I just posted this into Canvas. So here's the way it works. If you plan on coming to one or more or all of a Zoom office hour with me, this gives me the permission to record it and post it into Canvas. All you've got to do is check the box, give me your 820 number, give me your name, give me the date you're signing it, then save the form and upload it into Canvas in the spot right there, like any other assignment that you would put into Canvas. Once you do that, then we're golden. Then I can put your image, your name, your voice as a recording, as part of a recording, into Canvas. You can help other students that have the exact same questions. You can go back and watch the videos again if you want to. It's great. I love having these recordings available. They've been super helpful in the past for most of my students, if not all. So please, it would be great to get this done before the beginning of the term. I understand if you don't get this until after the term starts, but I'm going to have to check anybody that stops in for the office hours. I want to make sure that we get this form filled out for you. That way we're all make all the lawyers happy. So anyway, sorry to bring all the legality into it, but it turns out for the past 2 years, like I said, I've been breaking the law and I want to make sure I do this right. So we'll see you soon.